Hello everyone, this is Dr.MIHIR once again with another video. In this video, we are going to solve November 2022 University question paper under the subject Logistic and Supply Chain Management. Again, a very important video for all the TYBMS SEM-V student. Under this video, we are going to solve various practical problem sums that had appeared in November 2022 University paper. There were two questions that had appeared practical point of view say. So let us see how to solve those sums, which were those two sums and how to solve those two sums. Chalo, one by one we will start. The first, from the following data, calculate a 3-period weighted moving average from the 4th to the 8th month with weight 3, 2 and 1. The largest weight is being assigned to the most recent period and the current demand value. They are giving you period from 1 to 8 and demand they are giving you 20, 200, 220, 230, 250, 260, 270 and 290. And they are asking you to find the 8th one. Again, 4 columns are required: period, demand, working, and 3 period the weighted moving average. So under period we note down 1 to 8. Under demand we note down 200, 220, 230, 250, 260, 270 and 290. Since it is a 3-period weighted moving average, the first 3 parts will remain nil. And we will start with the fourth side, but we have to take the first 3 values. The latest being 230. So it will be 230 into 3, 220 into 2 and 200 into 1. So in the same order, 230 into 3 plus 220 into 2 plus 200 into 1, the total comes to 1330. Divided by 6, we should get the value as 222. Okay, now we'll go next ahead when we'll take the next 3. So 220, 230 and 250 are those values. So 250 is the latest one, so 250 into 3 plus 230 into 2 plus 220 into 1. The total comes to 1430 divided by 6. So we get the value as 238. So now after this we take the next 3. So it comes from 230 to 260. So 260 into 3 plus 250 into 2 plus 230 into 1. The value comes to 1510 divided by 6. It becomes 252. Next 3 from 250 to 270. So 270 into 3 plus 260 into 2 plus 250 into 1. The total comes to 1580 divided by 6. We get it as 263. Last, from 260 to 290. So it will be 290 into 3 plus 270 into 2 plus 260 into 1. The total comes to 1670 divided by 6. So we get the value as 278. So this is how you will have to solve this particular sum based on 3-period weighted moving average. You can go through once and you can take a note of this, and then we'll jump to the next question which was asked. Okay, now we'll jump to the next question. Okay, let us see the second type of sum. The question reads as define EOQ. So here you'll have to put a theoretical part. The annual demand for a particular item is 20,000 units. The unit cost is ₹5. The carrying cost on an average inventory is 20% and the ordering cost per order is ₹40. They're asking us to find the EOQ and the total inventory cost. Okay, so now let us see how to solve such kind of sum. First, we'll just note down what all things have been given to us. Annual demand is 20,000 units. The unit cost is ₹5. Carrying cost is 20% and ordering cost is 40. Now, based on whatever has been given, we will be creating, we'll be noting down the data. First, Annual demand 20,000 units, CPU is 5, carrying cost is 20% of 5, which becomes 1 rupee, ordering cost is 40. Now, based on this, first we need to find the EOQ. So EOQ is equal to root of 2 into A into O divided by C. A is annual demand, which is 20,000. O is ordering cost, which is 40. C is 1 rupee. So 20,000 into 40 divided by 1 into 2, whatever that is, and then whatever answer you get, we need to find the square root of that. So 2 into 20,000 into 40 divided by 1, whatever value you get, square root of that will come to 1,265. Since points will be rounded up to 1,265. Now, once we have got the EOQ, the second thing that we need to find is total inventory cost. Now, for total inventory, we require three things. Number one, material cost, which is annual demand into cost per unit. Annual demand is 20,000 units, cost per unit is 5 rupees. We multiply them. So 20,000 into 5 is equal to 1 lakh rupees. Second, we need to find the total ordering cost. So total ordering cost is equal to annual demand upon EOQ into O. Annual demand was 20,000, EOQ was 1265, ordering cost is 40. So 20,000 upon 1265 into 40 will give you 632 rupees. Last, we need to find the inventory carrying cost. Half into EOQ into C. Half into EOQ is 1265, C is 1 rupee. So 1 into 1265 into 1 divided by 2, we get it as 632.5. Once we have all the three values, we can apply into the final formula. Total inventory cost is material cost plus ordering cost plus inventory carrying cost. 1 lakh plus 632 plus 632.5, we get the total value of 1 lakh 1264.5 rupees. Okay, this is how you all had to solve this particular sum. I'll give you a few moments to note it down, go through it once. Okay, chalo, I hope everyone have understood this.